Have you wondered why everything in your life feels harder lately? More fatigue, more irritation, less drive for ... anything. Here's a clue. It starts with your prostate. Yes, your prostate is inflamed. It's not just messing with your bathroom routine. It's inflaming your frustration, your fatigue, your lack of desire, your mood swings. No one tells you this, but it's the truth. An enlarged prostate doesn't just break your sleep, it breaks your whole life. Do you wake up multiple times at night? Feel like your bladder never really empties? Less sex drive? Less energy? Less patience? This isn't just aging. This is inflammation. It's reversible. Here's the truth no one dares to say. If you don't act now, tomorrow will be worse. More inflammation, more bathroom trips, more risk of serious problems. But if you've made it this far, I've got good news. Fixing this could take just 2 minutes a day. It's called Prostative, a natural formula designed to reduce prostate inflammation, relieve pressure, and give you back control. Just 2 capsules a day. Just mix 1 scoop daily with water or your favorite beverage. It's that simple. It contains real science-backed ingredients. Saw palmetto, African pygeum, nettle root, lycopene. This isn't magic. It's biology. In just weeks, thousands of men are sleeping better, peeing normally, and feeling like themselves again. The question is, are you going to wait until it gets worse, or will you act today? Click the link in the description or pinned comment. Order Prostative now. You're not just buying a supplement, you're reclaiming your health, your energy, your life.